It's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BPMX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Friday, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. And after today's price movement, definitely updates here need to be made. So the first thing I'm going to do, a little house clean and get rid of this green line down here. Sure, it still pertains to the chart, but from a presentation standpoint and not wanting a million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion, just want to try to keep this as clean as possible. First update comes from a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that did watch the video from Friday, hopefully you remember me talking about 65 cents as a level of resistance, but now that the price broke above it, this would be considered an area of support. And same exact principle up here, 70 cents on Friday talked about as resistance. Now you'd want to see it act as support, and this one actually gives us a good example of that. So the price broke above it, and then you can see here on the pullback, surprise, surprise, you can see right where the price started to hover and find some support at 70 cents. That would be the ideal level, meaning, Clay, what would make this look the best? If the price can stay above 70 cents, that would be a very powerful scenario. Now, if the price does drop below it, I'm not saying everything's ruined or anything like that, but preferably speaking, yeah, if the price can hold above 70 cents, that would be the ideal situation. Taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things, as long as the price remains above this purple line here, the 50-period simple moving average, which is going to continue to move upwards, then from the overall perspective, the bulls are in full control. What about areas of resistance? Pretty straightforward here. The party stopped today up at, what was that, 75 or 76? Up there at 76 cents. So going into tomorrow and really the remainder of the week, public enemy number one is up at 76 cents. Does the price have to break 76 cents tomorrow? I don't want to come across like that. Really at this point in time, it's all about building higher bases, because as long as the price is higher lows as time goes by, the uptrend is going to take care of itself, and therefore higher highs will eventually take care of themselves. So nice looking chart. The week is young, so we'll see what's in store. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click that image right there and I will email you the guide. The guide is very short, it's to the point, and like I said, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.